Hello, my name is Dennis and I'm the first year business psychology student. Today we will be focusing on assignment number 4, which is the video submission of my presentation. So the topic was the critical analysis of one of the social enterprises all over the globe. I chose the Advent Eye Care because Advent Eye Care was one of the most successful and social enterprises in the world for the last 3 years. And Advent Eye Care is the company located in India, which was founded in 1976, which provides accessible and affordable eye surgeries, and not only. Advent Eye Care, its unique business model that combines social mission with business acumen. The organization charges fees for its services, but also provides fee or subsidized care of those who cannot afford it. In addition to providing eye care services, Advent Eye Care is also involved in research and training programs for healthcare workers. So, corporate social responsibility. Advent Eye Care has a strong commitment to social responsibility, which is reflected in its mission to eliminate needless blindness. The company provides affordable eye care services to millions of patients each year, and has established several community outreach programs to increase awareness and access to eye care services. And especially about the awareness, we will talk about it a bit later when we'll focus on the challenges that Advent Eye Care faced during the expand of the company. Advent Eye Care provides. So here's a small list of the main operations that Advent Eye Care can provide, and of course the handbooks and anatomy of clinical ophthalmic assistance, and yeah, here in this specific case, it's anatomy of the eye. Yeah, it's basically the operations that Advent Eye Care provide, and the books and the information which is useful for the trainees and upcoming workers in the Advent Eye Clinic. Marketing and branding. Advent Eye Care has built a strong brand and reputation for providing high quality, affordable eye care services. And because the company has leveraged its reputation to establish partnerships with other healthcare providers and expand its reach. So, customer experience. Advent Healthcare focused on providing a high quality customer experience, which is include offering affordable and accessible eye care services, as well as providing patient education and support. Because the company has implemented several innovative technologies too, such as telemedicine and mobile clinics to reach out patients and remote access. Now, because we are doing the critical analysis right here, I want to focus on the challenges that Advent Eye Care may face as it continues to grow and expand. Of course, it's managing the social mission because we're talking about business right here, and it's mandatory to not focus more on the profits, but more on the social mission and maintain the help for blindness people as the company grows and expands, because there may be a pressures to prioritize profitability over social impact. Second of the challenges is lack of awareness, because one of the primary challenges faced by Advent Eye Care was the lack of awareness among the general population about the importance of eye care and the availability and affordable services. Because sometimes people in India are even not willing to check their eyes and stuff because they think the medicine and the help is not affordable for them. Because they don't even know about this gorgeous Advent Eye Care clinic. So, funding, because of course providing affordable and accessible eye care services requires significant investment, and Advent Eye Care faced challenges in securing funding for their operations. They relied on a mix of donations, subsidies, and revenue from their face-based services to sustain their operations. And the last one is infrastructure, because infrastructure in India, as we know, uh, in average and in percentage, it's pretty poor in some places. So of course, when they increase their outreach and trying to reach new regions, sometimes it's really hard to provide high quality services without the supplies. So now let's talk a bit about the operation efficiency, because operation efficiency is important and should not come at the cost of quality of care. I did a little research. I'm not going to get in details right here, but after the research where I was looking at the patient waiting time, the efficiency of the operations, and a lot of different aspects. So overall, the Advent Eye Care operational efficiency can be considered as one of the key factors contributing to their success in providing affordable and accessible eye care services, because the Advent Eye Care can provide the accessible, innovative, and good quality operations. So why the operation efficiency is important, and it's good for now, and it's maintaining to be better and better. Innovations, we talk a lot about the innovations, about the remote techniques, and a lot of innovative approach to provide eye care services, such as using technology to improve diagnosis and treatments. So now a bit about my opinion. I'm trying to do this presentation as fast as I can because there was a time limitation of 5 minutes. Of course, I could have speak here for like 30, 40 minutes and discuss how good is it to run a social enterprise and help people around the globe, what are the challenges and how to improve and expand in that field, because of course this field is amazing because it helps people. So my opinion, it's great. It's absolutely amazing because there are some people who are not focusing only on business and only on profits, but really doing something genuinely good for the people, which is accessible and affordable. I help for the people and population in India, and what I can have against it, my opinion is absolutely positive, and I wish them an amazing result to keep increasing, to keep. Thinking and doing new innovations. So yeah, that's pretty much it about my opinion. And now let's talk about a conclusion. Pretty big conclusion because I wanted to tell everything in this part, like it's a main part. Because in conclusion, I wanted to sum up and underline all the main points. So, in conclusion, Arvind Eye Care is an innovative healthcare organization that has successfully provided affordable and accessible eye care services to a large number of people in India. Despite facing several challenges such as lack of awareness, infrastructure, human resources, funding, and social stigma, Advent Eye Care was able to overcome those obstacles and achieve operational efficiency by optimizing their resources, improving the patient flow, reducing costs per patient, and maintaining high quality care. Their innovative models of care delivery, investment in staff and training, and strong partnership with government and non-governmental organizations have contributed to their success. Advent Eye Care approach to providing affordable and accessible eye care services can serve as a model for other healthcare organizations looking to provide quality care to underserved populations. Whew. It was it was pretty tough 7 minute speech, but I hope I do well. I could have done it. I could have add more and more information because meanwhile I was doing the critical analysis. I did a lot of research on the Advent Eye Care Company and how they do help people and what exactly technologies and innovations they're using to provide the necessary help. And of course, it's also a really interesting part about the education, and that the Advent Eye Care is also educating the trainees and upcoming workers to then also provide help for the people in India. So yeah, that's pretty much it what I want to say. I want to say more, but it's time limitations. So I hope I did well. Here's my presentation. Here's the video submission, and yes, in upcoming exams, tests, submissions, and it's been a lovely 7 minutes. So thank you so much.